Ah, the world of affiliate marketing, a realm where your passion and profit can intertwine seamlessly. You're starting from zero? No worries. It all begins with a niche. It's all about finding your passion and carving out your corner of the market. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to build a platform. This could be a blog, a YouTube channel, or a social media account. Consistency is key. Regular, engaging content will draw in your audience. Next, choose your affiliate products wisely. Remember, relevance and quality are vital. Your audience will trust your recommendations, so choose products that will genuinely benefit them. Now promote. Incorporate affiliate links into your content naturally. Avoid oversaturation. Trust is a fragile thing. Don't betray it with blatant sales pitches. Finally, track your progress. Use analytic tools to see what's working and what's not. Adjust accordingly. And there you have it. A basic roadmap to launching your affiliate marketing journey. The path may be challenging, but it's surely rewarding. Good luck.